Hey everyone, welcome to another video. I took these camera shots with the new Samsung Galaxy A03s. There is triple camera on the back of the Galaxy A03s, which is 13 megapixel wide, 2 megapixel depth and the 2 megapixel macro. The camera quality is not bad, we can rate it average in this price tag. And here are the selfies. There is 5 megapixel front camera on the Galaxy A03s, both normal and the portrait mode available on this device. What do you say about its front camera? Please let me know in the comments below. Now let's jump to the table and quickly unbox the Galaxy A03s. Here is the box with the print of the device and the model number on top. Let's remove the wrapper and open the box. There is another box on top with the branding of the Samsung, which contains few paperwork, but there is no silicone cover with this phone. And here is the device on which few specifications are printed like Infinity V display, triple camera and the fingerprint scanner, which was not available on the Galaxy A02s, so it's good upgrade. For now, let's put the device on side and see what's more in the box. There is power adapter which is providing 15 watt fast charging for 5000 mAh battery, and next we have USB-C port for the power adapter and the SIM ejecting tool, and the hand-free also available, which is good news. Now let's remove the wrapper from the device. I bought it in white color and it's 4GB RAM variant. Back of this phone looks plain with triple camera on back and the front have Infinity V display. Let's talk about its design and performance. Back is plain with really small lines which you can feel by rubbing your hand on it. There is branding of the Samsung on back and the triple camera which is packed in on one island. And there is 6.5-inch IPS display on front which is providing 720p resolution and 270 pixel per density. Brightness is good. Display is not bad in this budget. We can rate it good for YouTube videos and for games in this budget. More bezels, especially at bottom. What do you say about it? Please let me know in the comments below. And on bottom there is headphone jack, mic, USB-C port and speaker. On top there is noise cancellation mic. On left there is SIM slot and on right there are volume rockers and the power button. And the power button also operates as fingerprint scanner, and here is how it's working. Not too much fast but average. And if I talk about performance, there is MediaTek Helio P35 chipset on the Galaxy A03s. I think there were more better options available in this price tag instead of the Helio P35. I have 4GB RAM variant and I use this phone for now and I saw no major issues with the performance. And there is Android 11 with One UI 3.1 on this device. It's really good to see these budget phones with the latest Android. So this was the quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A03s. Soon I will upload its full review on my channel, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Take care. Peace for all.